I have 2 sticks of butter, 2 cups of fruits. You can use raisin, any dry fruits you like, cranberries, prune. I only have raisins right now, and I'm going to use and 3/4 cups of sugar and 1 cup of orange juice. You can use even water in space of the orange juice. By adding my butter to the pot, then my sugar, my fruits, and my orange juice. And allow your fruits to boil for about 5 minutes. Make sure you cut your butter in smaller pieces before you add it. I have two cups of flour here. To that I'm going to add 1 teaspoon mixed spice / pumpkin spice, 1/2 teaspoon nutmeg, and 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1 1/4 baking powder. I'm going to add red and green cherries to the fruit. Make sure that the fruit is cooled before you add your eggs. I'm going to add 3 beaten eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I'm going to add my flour mixture.